Chapter 8. Features of File Management. File management refers to organizing files or folders on the computer for better access. File or folder. A file is used to store all programs or data of the computer. A folder is used to store files. File is a collection of data and information stored on storage devices like hard disk, pen drive, CD, DVD. There are different types of files depending on the type of information they store. It can be document file, Excel file, PowerPoint file, image file, music file, video file, etc., which has its own specific icon. This helps us in identifying the file just by looking at the icon. Folder is a collection of files. It is also known as a directory. A folder can also contain subfolders in itself. It has a different icon than a file. If we double-click on a folder, we will be able to see a list of thumbnails or files which are a part of that folder. Selecting files or folders. We can click on a file or a folder to open it. In order to select multiple files or folders, select the first file folder, then press Ctrl key. Keep pressing the key until you select all the other files folders you wanted to select. Creating a folder. A folder can be created on the desktop or in the File Explorer window. Follow these steps to create a folder on desktop. Step 1. Right-click at a blank area on the desktop. A pop-up menu will appear. Step 2. Move the mouse pointer to the new option. A submenu will appear. Step 3. Click on the folder option. A new folder icon with the name New Folder will appear on the desktop. You can type a name of your choice and press the Enter key, or click anywhere outside the icon if you don't want to type a name. The name will appear on the folder icon. Follow these steps to create a folder in File Explorer. Step 1. Open File Explorer by clicking on the This PC icon. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the New Folder command in the New Group tab from the ribbon. A new folder will be created. Renaming a file or folder. We rename a file in order to change the current name of the file to a new name. Follow these steps to rename a file. Step 1. Select the file or folder that you wish to rename. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the Rename command in the Organize group. Step 4. The name of the file folder will appear highlighted. Type the new name in that space and press the Enter key. We can also rename a folder simply by right-clicking on the name of the file folder. A pop-up menu will appear, from which we can choose the Rename option. Copying and moving. Copying a file or a folder. We copy a file or a folder by making a copy of the original file folder in the same location or in a different location. Copying does not remove the file folder from its original location. Follow these steps to copy a file folder. Step 1. Go to File Explorer and browse the location of the file folder which you wish to copy. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Select the file folder that needs to be copied. Step 4. Click on the Copy command in the Clipboard group. Step 5. Select the destination where you wish to copy the file folder. Step 6. Select the Paste command from the Clipboard group. The copy of the file folder will appear at the new location. Keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl+C on the keyboard to copy a file folder. Moving a file or a folder. Files and folders can be moved from one place to another. Unlike copying, once we move a file folder from its original place to the new location, we will not be able to find the file folder at the previous location. Follow these steps to move a file folder. Step 1. In File Explorer, browse to the location of the file folder which you wish to move. Step 2. Select the file folder that you wish to move. Step 3. Click on the Home tab. Step 4. Select the Cut command from the clipboard group. Step 5. Select the destination location folder where you wish to move the file folder. Step 6. Select the Paste command from the clipboard group. The file folder will be moved to the new location. Deleting a file or a folder. Follow these steps to delete a file folder. Step 1. In File Explorer, browse to the location of the file folder which you wish to delete. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Select the file folder that you wish to delete. Step 4. Select the Delete command from the Organize group. The Delete File dialog box will appear. Step 5. Click on the Yes option in the dialog box. The file folder will be removed. File tampering. File tampering is when a person accesses someone's files without permission. A computer system that is used in a school is shared by numerous students of the school. This provides everyone easy access to all of our files. In order to maintain privacy and save our files from being tampered with, we must follow a few basic but unspoken rules. Save your files in a folder with your name and class on it. This ensures that no one confuses your folder with his. Never open anyone's file folder on the computer without permission. If you accidentally open someone's folder, close it immediately. Do not go through the files in the folder. Never move, rename or delete any folder which you did not create. If you do require a file from another student's folder, ask for permission first. If they say no, do not open their file. Let us recall. File management refers to organizing files or folders on the computer for better access. Files are documents, presentations, etc. created using a software. Folders are imaginary spaces at desired locations to store information on the computer. Copying a file or folder refers to making a duplicate of the file folder and saving it in another location without deleting the file folder from its original location. Moving a file or folder refers to changing the current location of the file folder and saving it in another location. When we rename a folder, we change its current name to a new name. Deleting a file folder refers to removing a file folder from the computer system. File tampering is when a person accesses someone's files without permission.